Do you like this visual? See, when our value is in negative, it is down arrow with red sign, with red color, and when it is positive, it is up arrow with green. So do you like to keep this icon in your visual? Then keep watching this video. I will show step by step process how to make the exact same icon in our visual. Okay. So in Power BI, first I have to click the blank screen, blank background, and I have to click table form. I this is table table visualization. So we can make that in table visualization, and I have to click table visual, and I will so move it up. So this is table, and I will add uh, my value in here. So for now, I am using revenue week over week change percentage in column. Yeah. So this is my value, right? This is my table with week over week change, and I have to add this icon. So for that, I have to just first click my visual table and go to format your visuals, and in visual, I have to go to cell elements, and there is icons in here, and I have to turn on the icon and click on FX for the formula. And in here, I have to write my values, give my conditions. If my value is greater than, I can put minus 1000 or whatever I need. You can put any number just according to your uh, data what you have. So if my value is greater than minus 1000 and less than 0, I need down icon, down arrow with red color. I can choose any icon from here, uh, any one. So for now, I'm choosing only red arrow one. And if my value is equals to 0, my icon should be side arrow with yellow color. And if my value is greater than 0 and less than 1000, then the icon should be uh, green with up arrow, right? I can choose anyone. It does so, but it should say okay in here. But as you can see, uh, there is icon in here which is saying if there is error. So for that, I will just delete that one and add new rule. And again, I can write if my value is greater than minus negative greater than negative 1000 and less than 0, then the icon should be down arrow with red color. And if I can click OK, see, I I got the visual. I got see, I got the icon. It's green now. It's red again. Negative red again. Negative red again. Positive green. Negative red. I hope you understand this one, and keep watching my videos for more tips. See you in the next video.